الحمد لله الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين وخاتم النبيين محمد وآله وصحبه أجمعين ومن تبعهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين. أما بعد فقد قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: إن الإسلام بدأ غريبا وسيعود غريبا كما بدأ فطوبى للغرباء، أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام كما جاء في الترمذي. First of all, I thanks to Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala that Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala gave me chance to speak in this elocution competition. My honorable, the principal of our madrasa, and honorable scholars, respected brothers, friends, all these guests. Today our madrasa has arranged an oratory competition. So at this precious time I would like to speak about the recent condition in Muslim society. By the grace of Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, the most beneficent and merciful, Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala said in the Holy Quran, and Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala said true, and we must believe His truth. وَلَا تَهِنُوا وَلَا تَحْزَنُوا وَأَنْتُمُ الْأَعْلَوْنَ إِن كُنتُم مُؤْمِنِينَ. In the recent time is very bad condition and terrible for Muslims. We can get and listen this news after reading newspapers and magazines. Blood of Muslim is more worthless than water, and their innocent children are more despicable than kids of animal, and their veiled women are more dishonored than prostitutes. And the holy religion of Islam is also more mean than other religions near enemies of Islam. That's why every morning and evening aid in oppressing the Muslim people and killing of their innocent children. The enemies of Islam try to find out mistakes in the holy religion of Islam. So sometimes the enemies of Islam oppose the on command of sacrifice, and sometimes they work hard to annihilate or destroy the command of three divorce, and sometimes they are wrong pretender about of Muslim women, and they say give of them freedom about of will to go everywhere. But their all arguments are opposite of Islam. By the way, this time is very horrible, but however there is no feeling on the hearts of Muslim. Can't we see the doctor, the son of Sina, the son of Rushdie of philosophy, Tariq, the son of Ziyad of Undulus, Qasim, the son of Muhammad of Sin, Tipu Sultan, the tiger of Mysore from long time. But we Muslims should not give up hope with our Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, because these all things had been prophesied or predicted by our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and more prophecies are remain to be, such as a biggest revolt of universe, appearance of becoming of Dajjal, coming of Isa alayhi salam, coming of fire, coming of animal of earth, etc. About the Dajjal, in some books of hadith, our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the Medina is self-pious, I means Mubarak. Medina protected by the angels. Even the Dajjal cannot come into Medina. So we should think that this is ruling hour of darkness for some time, and morning is quite close. Horrible morning and evening will must be for some time. Dear audience, listen a poetry. One poet has said, don't afraid cause of long evening, O liver. Don't afraid cause of long evening, O liver. Is there any evening which is not morning? No, no. This is not meaning of it that we spend our time in waiting until the day of judgment, but we should prepare things which give us freedom because this world is a house of causes. The results are connected with the working hard. It occurs that any philosophy and any religion, however very false, but when working hard is done for it, many people accept it. Opposition of it, any religion, however very true, but when working hard is not done for its preaching, it can't progress now at present time. My Muslim brothers and renowned scholars, listen. If we don't work hard to remove this badness, what will be happen? Allah knows more than us. We can't escape our Iman and our Islam. So first of all, we should be worried that we all Muslims are in union, such as our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught us. It is hadith of Nabi Karim sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Tirmidhi Sharif, volume 2, under the chapter Abwabul Birri was-Sila, on page number 14, Hadith Abu Musa Ash'ari radiyallahu ta'ala anhu is narrator of this hadith. Al-mu'minu lil-mu'mini kal-bunyan yashuddu ba'zuhu ba'za. One Muslim for another Muslim, such a structure of building, one makes strong to another. Second, we should consider on causes which make our lives unpalatable, and our lives make us prove of words of the Holy Quran. La yamutu fiha wa la yahya. And this is reality that Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala sent the Holy Quran, making support for broken hearts and healing or recovery for sick people. We also should find out our cure by the Holy Quran. But when we see the Holy Quran for finding out our fault, we get that Muslims whom were promised for prevalence by Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala, we are not from them. We are, the Holy Quran guides us, the Holy Quran showed us some attributes for to become real Muslim. We are not imprisoned Muslim, and we are very empty, and our name only Muslims. By the way, the Holy Quran guides us in the present time that become original and real Muslim. Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala said in the Holy Quran, وَلَا تَهِنُوا وَلَا تَحْزَنُوا وَأَنْتُمُ الْأَعْلَوْنَ إِن كُنْتُم مُؤْمِنِينَ. Don't afraid and don't grieve. You will be overpowering if you are real Muslim. Third, we should show good virtues in all people, however they are believer or unbeliever, which were taught us by our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And we follow them. If we will follow them, all people, however they are believer or unbeliever, they will know us. Such as all people of Makkah had loved our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Before loving of them with our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they were enemies of our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. But when he saw the good virtues of our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they accepted Iman. In short, first of all, we should be in union. Second, we should create some attributes which must be in real Muslim. Third, we should create and show good virtues which were taught us by our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and we follow them. If we will follow this, I hope that Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala will fulfill this promise, وَأَنْتُمُ الْأَعْلَوْنَ إِن كُنْتُم مُؤْمِنِينَ. You will be overpowered if you are real Muslim. and Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala will give progress in our Muslim society. So, may Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala give tawfiq to follow His all commands in our lives. Now, I want to finish my speech here because I surrendered on appointed time by the responsible of our madrasa. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.
Well done, Zakwan Molipuri, well done. You explained us very carefully about the bad condition of Muslim people and about its reason and its cause. It is very interesting.